Ladies and gentlemen, we are back to our trading videos. I know you're excited, the plant is excited, these two guys are excited, everybody's excited, even this guy is excited. Guys, we are back to our trading sessions. And today, I have one for you. And every day, man, not every day, okay, I'm being... So guys, for those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Zeb Monopoly. The last couple of years I've been here on this channel teaching you guys how to day trade, showing you guys my live trading sessions, taking some of you on the inside, and I've been here guys and I've earned my stripes. If you're wondering why you should listen to me. But this is one thing I want to say guys, if you decide to follow this channel and listen to me, then you have to stick to my teachings. Because what I'm about to show you here, if you divert and you try to mix and match, you will not end well. So pay attention, and attention might just pay you. But I need a favor from you guys. Smash that like button, because I guarantee you will learn a lot, and hopefully you can make some dough here and there. Look, what you're about to see is live trading, and I'm gonna scalp here. With scalping, I'm using 1 to 200 leverage, which means you can use a small trading account to achieve the desired outcome. However, because this is leverage, down the line, the more trades you take, the more risk you will expose yourself to. So that means you have to set yourself a goal with trading. You cannot look at this like a get rich quick thing, or you're trying to make a million. Set yourself a conservative goal. And my goal today is to make enough to pay the internet bill, or the I don't know, the service charge for the year for my apartment. You know guys, there's a lot of things that you can set yourself goals for day in, day out. That way you will pay yourself when you make the profit. Because if you remember 2 years ago, we were trading this similar style, and a lot of people I noticed were making money, and I've trained thousands of you. But eventually they all end up losing it for one simple reason: greed. Okay, and take it like it is, guys. You will not maintain your account the way you think you're gonna maintain it if you keep trading, because of leverage. If you follow me here, this is the approach you're gonna take. Now, that's enough warning. Let's get right into today's video. Guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to trade the NASDAQ. That's the most volatile asset. This is US Tech 100. By the way, for those of you from the US, you're wondering, should you trade the way I trade, or what platform to use? If you're from outside the US and Canada, you'll be able to use this platform I'm using, and you'll find the link for it in the description. However, rest of you from the US, well guys, you're also going to be trading this similar style, except you're not going to use the 15 minutes that I'm using here. You're actually going to use the hourlies and the dailies. And if you look at the overall market, you can see it's almost like a bubble kind of scenario, or bearish scenario where it could potentially play out this way. So you have a lot of weeks of potential shorting coming your way. Okay, but you can't be too biased. So you will use maybe the daily to make decisions. Maybe you're shorting here, and then the market does this, and then you short again, and this. And so we'll go cover this in a minute. And you're using the weekly as well to make decisions. Okay, that's for you guys from the US and Canada. And you're gonna be using these ETFs, inverse ETFs. For me, on the other hand, I'm actually gonna be using 15-minute scalps, or even 1 hour scalps. Okay, so you'll notice I'm in, I'm out, just like that. Okay, now the fun stuff. Let's go ahead and begin mapping support or resistance. That's all I use, guys, is support and resistance, S and OR. So how do I find these support or resistance? So the first thing you want to do, guys, before we go to the money part, is you want to just zoom out after picking your US Tech 100. Whether it's CFDs, whether it's spread betting, it's the same. And you want to get your line. You can get it by clicking here, and then the draw, and then you can just click this. And then go ahead with your line, and you're looking for a candle that looks like this. Okay, my chair is a little bit wobbly, so you want to go right here, look for a candle like this, and you also want to look for a candle like this, and this is going to be for resistance, the red, and the green is going to be for support. So what are these candles? I'll tell you now. this is this candle. You see? It's like a cross. This candle, it's like a cross, okay? And we're gonna use them to put the line. So this is 4 hours now I'm using. And I'm gonna get the line to get my support. And I'm gonna use the top of this wick, okay? Because this is the plus sign. You can see it, we said plus sign that looks like a cross. Okay, so it has a wick exposed and a body. 2 wicks exposed in this case. And I'm gonna use the top of the wick, and then later on I'll also use the bottom of the wick, which is the body. So I'm gonna put the candle right here, and I'm gonna put it right here at the body of the green. This is now my support area, these lines. Okay, so that means I'm really looking for a short position to get to these levels and before I start buying. So now I'm gonna zoom it in to 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. And I can see that the market is near the support area. I know better, so I know that the market is going to these levels before it does anything else. So that means I will have to sell it. So I'm gonna begin with a 3 contract sell position, and I've just opened it. I haven't put a stop loss because I haven't decided yet. But in most cases, you should use a stop loss because it's a quick movement in the market, okay? You should use a stop loss, and you can just put it by here, SL, and you could put 15 points stop loss and also 15 points profit take. And I'm gonna enter that in the next trade. So you notice the market is looking to enter to this level. I'm gonna press another 3 contracts short. Okay, that's great. I am now 6 contracts short on the Nasdaq, and here's my P&L. Okay, so let me just lower this a little bit. And again, guys, this is a $5,000 trading account, so it's not a lot. I'm not, like I said, today's goal is to pay the electricity bill or the internet bill. So this is the best approach when trading leverage instruments. It's just to set yourself goals. 0 is your chance of continuing to grow an account using 1 to 200 leverage. 0. The best approach is to make your money and bounce. All right, so there it goes, guys. You know, market is dipping. Now, I want to be out. This is the support level we said, 19,915. So I want to be out before maybe at 19,930. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my stop loss, because I do have a sell here, and this one has a stop and a limit. However, this one doesn't. I'm gonna edit this, and I'm gonna put a stop loss of 15 and the limit of 15 or 16, or yeah, 15 is fine. That gives me $45 each. Okay, so notice how the market likes to play games before going to my target price. This is a risk that everybody's gonna have when day trading or scalping. So whenever the money, you see the money, you have to get out and just nibble. And this is my strategy, guys. You know, because it's leverage and I don't want to get stopped out. Whenever I see money, I'll take it. I'm not in the game of you know, looking at long term. This is, you can't do this long term with leverage. It has to be scalping. All right, so my limit order is 19,930. Around this area, I'll be out. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is leave this running for you, and I'll see you when it's time to close. All right, guys, here we go. Right, as expected, market is now aiming for the target, and it just triggered it, and we're closed. Right, we made $100 there in that trade. And it took a while for this to actually come to life, but it did end up happening. And as soon as it tested this line, you can see it now wants to bounce back. Okay? So my exit was perfect. And look, this is the exact reason why you should look to exit trades even before your support levels. So look, now I'm gonna leave this as it is and maybe come back later. It's $100 made in this trade on a $5,000 trading account, and I didn't actually use my capacity contract-wise. I managed my risk, and I made sure my risk is up to standards of my standards that I put for myself. So I don't know what's going to happen on Market Open. We might take more trades, but if I don't, I'll leave this video here for you guys, and I appreciate you for watching. This is how you make money on a small account. I'm gonna go withdraw this money now and pay whatever bills I have, and if I don't have, so what? It's good. I'm not trading. I made my target for the day. I'm done. That's the mentality when trading this way. Okay, guys, the link for the broker will be down in the description for those of you who want to trade. And you can also find my, basically I do live streams once a day, an hour for the first month or so on the Patreon for the day traders. So I'll be trading this style as well and calling out my trades before they happen. All right, guys, that's me done. Peace and love as always.